Hi guys, this is Garcha again from GFP Foreign Market Broker. So there were a lot of queries about using the basics of the MetaTrader. So I decided to provide you the basic information on the mobile platform about the MetaTrader. So first of all, you have to go, if you're using Apple, you have to go in the App Store. If you're using Android, you have to use the Play Store. So in the Play Store, you can click on this and you can install. You have to just write MetaTrader 4. So once it installed, because it is already there in my system, so you have to just click on the MetaTrader. Then first thing you have to do, you have to create your own, to understand, to learn, you have to create your own demo account. So you can click on the top plus sign and you can just click here, open the demo account. So you have to write any broker name. I'm using ADS Abu Dhabi Securities. So ADS, if I will write here, so you will find ADSS demo. So you can just click the first one only. So ADSS demo, you have to fill your details. Just let us write. So down account information is the account type, like which kind of account you want. Is the ADS account, because they have another platform also, their own personal platform. Leverage, you can, mostly companies are providing 1:400. So 1:400 means you pay $250 and you will be able to buy a lot of $100,000. So we will put any amount. Let us put $10,000. It is a demo account. So create account. So once you will create the account, you will get the credentials and you will be able to log into your demo account. You will be able to see, and you can see GS Garcha have given the name and account number came. This is the demo account, it is mentioned on the top, you can see as well. So first, these are four major things. This is the quotes, this is the charts, this is the open positions, and this is the history. So here you can see there are different prices, different currencies, everything is given. So if you wanted to add some other product, so let's say Euro USD, you can just click on Euro USD. You will see here it will add on to your quotes. Whatever, how many products you want, you can just keep on adding. Let's say USD JPY, now it is added. It will show you here. It will show it here. Yeah. Now if for example you doesn't want any product, let's say I wanted to remove USD ruble, so you can just click here on the this edit option and click on the delete, and you can select USD ruble, I want to delete it. So now you will go back to the quotes. Now you will see you will not find it on the anywhere in the system, so it is deleted. Now let us say you wanted to, I want Euro USD to be on the priority on the top of the list. So what I can do, again I will go here and I will go, and you will see this bars, you will hold it and take it up. So this way you can edit your codes as per your wish. You can see on the top your USD prices started showing. Anyways, let's go to the second option. If you will click, just tap it while tapping on the Euro USD, you have got four options: new orders, open chart, symbol properties, and simple view mode. Simple view mode is the complete system will be changed. You will see open, high, low, close, it will not show. If you will go in advanced mode, so this here you see two prices, buy and sell price, and downside low and high, like this it is mentioned. This is actually a buy price, this is a sell price, and downside it is a high price and it's a low price. So first option is new order. If you will click on new order, you will get the ticket. So in this, one means one lot means 100,000. So you can edit it by clicking it. So if I will put 0.10, so it will be 10,000. So 10,000 means we are spending $25. So $250 from our margin will be 100,000. As I told you, 1:400 is the leverage. And you can decide your stop loss and limit order, limit profit from these two options. This we are doing in the market execution. If you will open, there are this contingent orders are also there. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. So you can select this also. For this details, I will you can ask me. I will make another video for the description how to use and what option is for what. So this is simple. So if I will click buy, you will see immediately it will jump onto the third option, which is the positions. So in the positions, you will see the position has come of the GBP JPY, because we clicked on the GBP JPY, and you can see the balance, equity, margin, everything on this. And for example, if I will close this order, it will show in the history, and in the history we can see how much money we have, how much loss, how much profit we have booked, and how many positions, what time, what is a different time frame, everything. So it will show in this history option. So you can see it is very simple. There are 4 major options: 1, 2, 3, 4. First one is the quotes, on which we will see the live prices. Second one is the chart, in which we will see the you can have a different options, you set it on the different time frame. You can put the studies, you can put the oscillators, everything. It is allowing everything. And third one is the what are the positions are open, and you can open, let's say, whatever opens our order. Orders are open, so it will keep on collecting there only. You will see automatically it will come to the third option. You see, so 1, 2, 3. This is the positions. So I hope you got the idea. It is a basic idea. From here also you can jump onto the different this thing. And there is the economy calendar also, and the news is also coming. But I think this is a demo account. It will not reflect here in the real time accounts. All the demos, all the news, all the informations are coming to this. And there are some other things also, like a trader community. You have to log in the MQL, as this MQL login, and you will get, and the messages also are there. Messages is basically it is giving you the real-time idea when you will log into your account, when you will sign out from your account, so like this. So I hope you understood everything. If you have any further question, you can ask me. You can send me by email, and I will leave it in the description, and I think you will see in the screen also. Okay, take care, bye.